Probably you know that bow is very important for playing the violin. And now we will talk about how to hold the bow. From our previous lesson, I think you already know that usually I do with my students exercises with instrument. In our lesson, we will do exercises without bow, with pen first, and then with bow. Let's talk a little bit more about illustration for this exercise. Imagine that you are in big, beautiful garden with grapes, and your hand, right hand, is just like grapes full of berries. Under these grapes, we have a stick which helps to hold all these grapes. When I put my stick, I put it on this part of my fingers, not very deep and not very close to the fingertips. Something in the middle. Now, there is a hook. Our small finger should be curved. And also, there is a ring. We have ring with our middle finger, but not such ring. Our pen helps us to make this ring with the middle finger. Now, let's raise our grapes. When you raise your grapes, it's very important to check your wrist. I noticed also that some students raise grapes like this, but it doesn't change situation with your wrist. Your hand still is curved. Only wrist. And look, in our big garden, there is a swing. We make our small finger straight and back curved. Straight and curved. And this is like swing in our garden. In this exercise, work only my fingers. I don't turn my wrist. I move only my finger. Why do we need to do first exercises with pen and only then with the bow? Because bow is a little bit heavier than the pen. And when we do these exercises with the pen, our hand, our fingers are prepared already to hold the bow. If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.